I'm Gert Scholts from the Best Sales Coach. Today it's about goals. A motivated sales team can take on the world. A demotivated sales team achieves absolutely nothing. You know, the thing about a motivated sales team is they motivate the people around them. Their customers, the teams around them, the marketing team, the product team, the operations team, even the finance team. Yet, demotivated sales teams and demotivated salespeople, they suck all the energy out of the organization. Their customers don't want to meet them and they stop buying. So what makes a motivated sales team? They have a goal. Not just a goal as in a sales target. No, it's also goals they have when they meet customers. It's also goals they have in their personal life. And it even links to the goal the company has got. Goals just motivate, they really do. It's not just the end goal that counts, it's every step on the way. Whether it is prospecting, whether it is a discovery meeting, whether it is achieving the number of outbound calls. So what makes a good goal? Smart goals. Smart goals really motivate. It's specific, it's measurable, it's agreed between all parties, realistic, and it's timed. Set yourself a smart goal today and achieve it. Good luck!